Hey YouTube, it's Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. We're on deck 4. Check this out. This is the new non-smoking casino. Usually it's this little tiny place here tucked into the back corner that everyone forgot about on deck 4. But wait. There's more. Yeah. Got all these table games here, plus look at all these slots back there. They expanded this whole area. Everything between like Studio B and the elevator bank by the theater is now a non-smoking casino. This is so much nicer. Glad finally, Royal put on a bigger non-smoking casino. Of course, got a bar. Got to rehydrate. Don't go thirsty. But yeah, look at this. This is still non-smoking. Yeah. All of this is non-smoking in a casino. So if you ever wanted to gamble but can't stand the smoke, you have no excuse now. Look at all these slots, all these table games here in a non-smoking casino. Yeah. Yeah, the casino is closed right now because we're in port. So we're able to film. But this is nice. Right here, between Studio B and the theater. All non-smoking casino. Hopefully you like this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.